Alright guys, here we are in a field, or the woods anyway, and we're doing a morel hunt, but we didn't find any yet, so I'll show you what we did find though. A really nice patch of ramps, or wild garlic, and it's a huge little patch. Just to show you real quick what you're looking for. You're going to have these long, stretched out leaves. The color will be a little more green than this, because these are coming towards the towards their end, but you'll have a pink or a purple stalk, and then at the end you will have your nice white bulb. Now, anywhere on this plant pretty much, if you mash it up and give it a sniff, you will smell varying degrees of garlic. As you go into the stem, it gets a little stronger, and the closer you get to the bulb, the stronger it gets. So there you have it guys, a quick look at the at wild garlic or ramps. So at the end of this video, I will attach a little bit of additional information and possible poisonous lookalikes if I can find one. So you guys take care, get out and explore, and remember, do not over harvest these because they will disappear and they will not grow back after a while, so be careful. To help you identify ramps, you can follow these steps and make sure to smell them, because if you don't smell garlic, you almost probably have the poisonous lily of the valley. If you would like to learn how to identify more wild edibles, click the links to the right, or you can click to the left to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.